Let's try to get some basic about ideas about YouTube channel. I'm going to help you understand some of the basic terms and how you browse through your YouTube channel. When you log in into your YouTube channel, so you will get this dashboard. I created for mine, so I'm already logged into it. So it's simple. Just go to Google, type google.com and search for YouTube. Then you will be getting the login. You can log in with your Gmail. So let's browse through the dashboard. You'll see like this. Here you can have some of your pictures just to help you recognize. So you can have a picture pasted here. Let's start with. So dashboard. If you see this is a channel dashboard, it means in YouTube you create videos and you upload video. So it's simply like Gmail. You attach a video of yours and it will appear here. Now, if you see this, I think create. Here you simply upload video. So this upload videos is the same thing. It means whenever you have created a video, then you can upload here. You can go live. It means if you want to broadcast live, you can create a post. Now, your playlist and the podcast if you want to add. This is your account. Some basic information about your account. Like this is your channel. So your home. This is your home. Short. It means if you have subscribed to this, and these are subscriptions. You subscribe to these channels. Your history that you have, your playlist, and this is the channel content. So your courses, if you have tried to enroll into some courses, something, if you have chosen some, then you can go through this. So watch later, these are your subscriptions. These are your settings. You can see your notifications. If you subscribe to any channel, then you get the notification. Then these are some of the other settings about your playback and performance, your privacy. If you subscribe, then your subscription is private. Your connected apps, you can connect. Billing and payments, how you make purchases if you want to. And these are your settings. So you will get some ideas how you can browse through your YouTube. Let's move back to our channel dashboard. This is channel analytics. If you have subscription to your videos, then you will see, as you can see, these are basic one, not yet started one, but as we go, it may be increasing. So like this overview, some person asked your channel or not, what was your content, So find your videos, who are your audience. So as you grow your subscriber, you will find the details here. Let's about the channel content. So something like inspiration, the videos just for testing. I had uploaded this video and you say it's blocked because it was just for an example used and it was blocked. So simply here you can take some actions as delete forever. So you won't be able to see it. Yeah. Now shorts. For a few seconds, you can create videos and they will appear in live. The posts, you can create a post. The playlist here, that is, you have subscribed to your podcast promotion if you have started. So you can something like subscribe. Analytics, nothing here because you can see it has just been started. So no views because there are no video. So once videos are uploaded, then we can see more. Community, like comments by people. If you have started publishing videos, then you will soon get these subtitles. So most of the things you see are blank. So copyright, and you must have heard about YouTubers. So you can start earning on YouTube. So we'll go later on about this as we are just using the basic one. Customization. So you can create your banner image, some picture, as you can see the profile picture there, then you name your channel name, basic details, etc. You can have. If people want to do some business, they can have your business email address. So here you can address. Like this, I'm adding. And then you can publish. Audio library. So here you can have some sound effects, music. Now setting. So setting about currency, money that you want, where is your channel, some basic information, some advanced settings, like you can say, made for kids, not for kids. So disable interspace, add something, third party can train AI models in your channel. So these are some settings and feature, standard feature, you can say, advanced feature. You can enable if you have this. So we'll discuss about this later on. Upload your basic information, tags, etc. Your advanced setting. As we go further, then we'll start. Here, you can moderate your content or approved user. So once we start going into details, we'll discuss about this. So these are your setting that we discussed. Feedback you can send. So for Google. So hopefully this discussion about interface of YouTube channel will help you understand as how YouTube channel operates. You can have some appearance, dark theme, device theme, you can change it. So this completes our basic YouTube channel, dashboard, or the interface discussion.